Hello everyone, welcome to our next lesson. Today we're going to be looking at the scalar product and the angle between two lines. If we are trying to find the angle between two lines, so for instance, we've got these two lines and we're trying to find the angle between the two, we have this lovely little formula that says cosine theta equals v dot w divided by the magnitude of v and the magnitude of w. Just be careful, this question, make sure you don't think that this means absolute value. It's actually the magnitude. And usually when you do these questions, we put this in absolute form. So you've got what looks like the exact same symbol, but one means absolute. So this is absolute value. While these ones are magnitude. Okay, so what does v dot w mean? Well, v dot w is the direction of v. Let's say the direction of v is v1, v2, v3, times the direction of w, which is w1, w2, w3. So you got two directions of two lines. By doing the dot product, how you do this is you multiply the x values, so v1 times w1, and then you add it to the multiple of the y values, v2 times w2, add it to the z values, v3 times w3. Sorry, that's supposed to be a 3. Okay, so if we look at a question, for instance this one, we've got line 1 is equal to this and line 2 is equal to this. If I want to find the angle between these two lines, this is in two-dimensional space, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do cosine theta is equal to v dot w, so that is 3, 2 times, or dot, 1, 4, divided by the magnitude of v, so that's the magnitude of 3 squared plus 2 squared, so that's the magnitude of line 1, and the magnitude of line 2 is 1 squared plus 4 squared. And therefore, cosine theta is equal to 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 2 times 4, which is 8, all divided by 9 plus 4 is root 13, and root 16, 17. Okay, looks good. So cosine theta is equal to 11 divided by root 13, root 17. And therefore, theta is equal to cosine negative 1 of 11 divided by root 13, root 17. You plug that into the equation, and we get something like 42.3 degrees. Now, for this question, our number here was positive, but sometimes you get a negative answer. For instance, had this been a negative 4, instead of a positive 4, this would have been 3 minus 8. And if you get that situation, so 3 minus 8 would have been negative 5. If you get that situation, what I recommend is you just change it to positive. And that's why I said you should put the absolute value. And the reason is, when you're finding the angles, IB wants us to find the smallest angle. If you kept the negative sign, you would have actually found the largest angle between the two lines. Which is not a big problem, because if you got the answer, you just do 180 minus that angle. But just to make things simple, I recommend that you make it absolute of v dot w. Hope this helped. Have a good day.